Hey, Steve Champagne here. In today's Ninja Hack, I want to walk you through how to create a customized dashboard for your Google Analytics account. It's going to help you quickly and easily get better statistics from your analytics. So stay tuned. Okay, in today's Ninja Hack, I want to talk to you about setting up a custom dashboard or finding a custom dashboard for your Google Analytics. We all know how important it is to have analytics on our site so we can make adjustments to get better conversions or get better traffic to our website. This is the default view typically when you log into your analytics. Really, it doesn't give you that much. There's so much other things you can do here, and you can kind of drill into all of this. And Google Analytics is always making changes here, so I find myself most of the time stumbling through to find the data that I need. So what I've done is gone out and actually created a custom dashboard for myself. And so at the very top, you'll find that right here, and what it allows you to do is to create some top level view of the most important data that you would like to look at when looking at your analytics. Okay, now there's a couple ways you can do this. One, you can create your own dashboard from scratch, or you can go into their galleries to find some pre-made dashboards. Okay, so if you want to create a new dashboard, all you have to do is click on New Dashboard right here, and you're going to get this button right here. So if you're going to create something by yourself right from scratch, which I highly don't recommend that you do because you'll waste a lot of time here, just simply click on the blank canvas and then you can start adding widgets to it. Or you can get a starter dashboard, or this is where you can go to find and import different galleries. So if I click on this, you're going to get this pop up, and then what you can do is kind of scroll through all the categories. The one that I would probably say that you want to look for is get something for site performance, and this is I think the one that I personally have set up, and I'll show you what that looks like. So if you want to use this, click on import, and you can import it immediately into your dashboard. So let's close this and let's go back. Now I've also created a dashboard, and you can get a link to this dashboard just below this video, okay? And you can install it and use it and make changes. It can be used as a starter for you to create your own dashboard and don't have to start from scratch, okay? Let's go over the widgets that I've installed, and you may find that this is all you really need. The first thing I always want to see when I log into my dashboard is anyone really on my website right now? And as of the recording of this hack, currently have no one on my website. Boo-hoo. The other thing I really want to know is what is really my unique traffic for the period of time. This is the last 30 days right here. Again, as the recording of this video. I basically have some work here that I need to do, and as we get into September, I have some paid traffic stuff that I'm going to be doing to really start boosting the traffic to my website. I want to know what devices that are hitting my website. I knew this right now based on the type of traffic I've been driving already, that most of it was desktop. The next thing I want to know is, since I've been really focused on organic social media right at this time, I want to know what networks are bringing me the traffic. Facebook has been my primary source of traffic right now. I just started doing some Twitter, and I'll actually be putting out a course to show you what I've been doing for Twitter and start to build this traffic up. Again, it's only been a couple days since we started doing our Twitter stuff, so I'll show you how that's all going to go in another hack in the near future. I want to know what my top 10 countries are, okay? And the reality is probably the most important countries that you should be getting your traffic from, especially if you do plan on to do any e-commerce or sell anything. The United States being the number one, then Canada, UK, and Australia, okay? So that's really where you want to focus your traffic. I do have some other traffic coming from other areas, but I'm not overly concerned about that traffic. In column 2 of my custom dashboard, basically, I want to know what are the top 5 referrals or top 6 referrals of traffic. Facebook being the biggest one. Then I have some direct linking. This is on all probability coming from my email list. And then I have some other ones. Now, a new one right here that I have what's called Twitter DM. DM stands for direct messaging. Again, this is some of the training I'm going to be doing here in the near future on Twitter and Twitter marketing. But I'll show you in a hack prior to that is how to create a customizable trackable link that you can know when you go into your analytics. You can say, okay, that source, that very particular source is bringing me XYZ traffic, okay? So look for that hack in the very near future. The next I want to know is what are the most popular days that people are consuming my hacks. Tuesday is the biggest day, of course, simply because that's the day we release the hacks. I do all my notifications, all my email marketing, followed by Thursday, Monday, and then Wednesday. And as we get down on Sunday, well, basically everyone's taking the day off and not really looking at this stuff. Finally, in column 3, I want to know what the top consuming hacks are. This was a hack that we did recently this past month on how to run Facebook Live from your desktop computer. So if you haven't watched that hack yet, check it out. I also want to know what the engagement is, or how long they're on my site, or how deep they're going into my site based on devices, and how long they're on the site. And then finally, if any of my web goals that I've set up have been met during that period of time. If you want to use my dashboard, you'll find a link just below this video where you simply just need to click on it, okay? Make sure that you're logged into your Google Analytics. When you do that, you're going to be asked, 1, do you want to rename the dashboard? Go ahead, rename the dashboard. And 2, you need to select the data set that you want to apply it to. So if you have multiple data sets in your account, then you'll make sure that you choose the right one, okay? So this wraps up this week's Ninja Hack on Google Analytic dashboards. If you've liked this hack, please give it a star rating just below this video if you're watching on the site, and I'll see you soon. Hopefully you enjoyed that Ninja Hack and you got some value out of it. Now before you go, take the opportunity and join our club, and you can do so by clicking on one of the 3 buttons just below. See them? You can either get on our Facebook notification, our browser notification, and that really works well if you're on Chrome or Firefox or Safari as your primary browser, or you could subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe channel button. And also before you go, take the opportunity to check out the videos to the right. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.